I started my morning with a trip to Bunnings to pick up some white paint for a DIY that I was doing. I found this pink ottoman from Kmart and I didn't want it to be pink, I wanted it to be white so that I could use it in our pop-up shop. Then our order arrived, our huge order, which took me literally probably like 10 hours or more to unpack and do inventory and sort out. It was a wild ride in here and I got a serious workout doing this, but it's all done now and I'm super happy and I can't wait to show you all. Anyway, this is what the ottoman turned out. I'm so excited to use it at the pop-up store.